Sir, could you zoom in the picture? Um, so sir,
Yeah.
yeah. So I got the area of um, the whole region as 40.5 kilometer square because it said that the length is, I mean, the breadth is 4.5 and length is 9.
45.
40.5 meter
Okay.
square, kilometer square. And the the lake is 3 as length and the breadth is 2.5 kilometers.
Hmm.
So the area of lake will be 7.5 kilometers square.
All
So
right.
the probability would be 7.5 by 40.5.
Get it in
That
fraction,
is,
no need to get in decimal. Yeah. Tell me.
yeah, that is 5 by 27.
Tapasya. Got. Seems you're doing some homework or something. Yeah. Finding. Nandita, what about you? Okay. Now, one thing I suggest is because your it depends actually. You can just keep it as product 4.5 times 9, and this would be 3 times 2.5. So it's always, helpful, easier to, because we are going to divide it eventually. So depends. I mean, you can do both, but generally for a lot of questions you will see in surface area, if it is not, parts in parts, if it is one whole question, then it's good way. But if it is in parts and you need, it is find the total area, find the rectangle area, then it might be better to write the exact final answer 40.5, 7.5. If not, you can just go with this. It's not required. It's probably 2 marks worth. So you can do even this, and it would be a lot easier for you, है ना? So even that is possible. Tapasya, you're done. Tapasya, you're done. Okay. Okay. 10th we can omit. Okay, 15. Make the sample space very clearly and try. So what is the sample space? Total outcomes. What are the possibilities? Sample space. Nea would be merged in oblivion in some days. It's getting darker day by day. Your background. Can't really figure out what's. Okay.
Sir, I got the first one as 1 by 12.
8. You just tell me the sample space first. Total outcomes. What were the outcomes? Total outcomes.
36.
Okay, total is 36. 111216 2126 6166. Total 36. And
Do
it's
we need to
always,
list all these things in the
sorry,
paper?
yes,
Do we need to write all this?
yes. For this question, we need to write. So 8 would be for 2 6. This also you need to write for the first one. Favorable outcomes 2 6, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 5, 4 comma 4, then 5 comma 3, 6 comma 2. Anything else?
So the answer for the first one will be 8 by 37, 5 by 37.
Yes, that's right. Don't be misled by other people. We are not sure, na? Okay. 13. Lanita, you got the first one?
Yes, sir. Second one I got 0.
No, first one you got, but first one you got wrong. So could you understand how it is? What's the correct?
Yeah,
Second
yeah, I got.
one, who would tell about the second one? Second.
It will be 0 by 36.
Sorry.
It will be 0 by 36.
Yes, it is 0. The sum can't be greater than 12. Maximum is 12. Okay, less than 13. Probability of a number less than 13. Sum less than 13. What's the probability? Anyone?
1.
Okay. Because all numbers would eventually be either 12, 11, whatever it is. Can we have 1? Sum as 1. So you want to change the answer?
No, you said probability less than 13, right?
Sum being less than 13, right?
Some being less than 13. Yeah, 1. The
Okay.
probability would be 1.
You would start from 2, but it is still less than 13 only, na? So 2 to 12, everything is less than 13 and we don't have anything else. So whatever combination you would have, 1, 1, 2, 6, 6, 1, 1, 2, all that, it would eventually be less than 13 only. Next part, Shita, you got that? Second part? Tapasya, any doubt? I doubt you're there or not. Third one? Third one. Okay, we did this. Less than or equal to 12. Okay, that is 1. Okay, okay. I didn't see the third part. I just I just made it up. Okay. Hmm. So please Raise your hand. First one. Anyone raising a hand? Okay, Nia.
One.
Okay. Everyone took so much time. I thought it is one. Okay. Second,
Second one, can I answer?
you can raise your hand and then answer. Tapasya raised the hand first. So, yes, Tapasya.
So it's impossible.
That can happen is impossible event. Okay. But what's the probability? Probability is not impossible. There would be a probability. Hmm?
So
Tapasya.
zero.
Favorable outcome is zero. Total outcomes is I don't know whatever it is. What the number is? It's zero. Impossible. Third one. Sure event one. I also should get a chance. Fourth. Yes, Nandita.
Sir, one.
Sum of all the elementary event is 1. Fifth one. I revised the whole thing today. Shrita, want to try?
Is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1.
Okay, so we are not going to get into the 17th one. Driver starts the car, he would start or not. It's already raining here way too much. I don't take the responsibility. 18, 19. Now these are kind of 30-30 second questions, so buckle up. You're raising a hand, Shrita? Okay, go ahead.
B
Okay,
minus 1.
negative is not possible. No possibility of negative. Okay, 20. 5 seconds question. You can raise your hand and then answer. Okay, Shrita.
0.95.
1 minus 0.05 is 0.95. Tapasya, is that okay? Not red, not black. Can't help. 22, you try yourself. Number less than number greater than, you try that yourself. 25th also. Okay, now we are on cards. Okay, let's play cards. Let me get the image. Let me get the image. Uh, So I by no means solicit playing cards. This is a disclaimer, and it's totally one's own responsibility. Okay. So, all right. So there are total 52 cards, and four different types of cards. So 4 into 13, 13 in each of this. Now this is known as, what is this known as? Clubs. This is diamonds. Diamonds. This is human organ, hearts, and this is spades. Now there are some face cards with this jack, queen, and king. This three face cards in each of this 13 batch, and total 10 numbered cards. So 10 plus 3, and you can see what is black, what is white, what is red. So how many black color cards? 26. How many red colored cards? 26. How many red colored face cards? Red colored face cards. Yes, Nandita. I think you are too much into this. Yeah.
No,
Yeah.
sir.
Tell
Six.
me. 6. How much? How many non face cards that are colored red? 20. How many ace? This A is known as ace. How many ace cards? 4 ace cards. How many red ace cards? 2 red ace cards. Now you can have any combination, any probability. This is what we have: 4 queens, 4 jacks, 4 kings, 2 red 2 red kings, 2 black kings, and so on and so forth. I think that should be enough. I'm not going into professional playing. So, all right, so probably it should be easy for you to do now. Please start the 26th, and if you want I can show you the numbers also in case that's needed. Anyone done first, or you want to try? Okay, you try all of them. You try all of them. Take 4 or 5 minutes. I'll be back in a moment. Are we done? Okay. Who raised hand first? I don't know, but A B C D N. Okay, Nandita.
So first one is 1 by 26.
1 by 26. Okay, 2 by 52 is 1 by 26. What next?
3
Shrita?
by 30.
4,
12 by
12 by,
52.
so 3 by 13.
3 by 13.
Next, anyone else wants to try? Third one. Tapasya, you got the first two? Yes, Nia.
Yes. 3 by 26.
Red face card. 6 by 52. Okay. Next. Fourth. Yes, Shrita. You're
1 by
saluting me or what?
52.
Huh?
1 by 52.
1 by 52. Fifth. Yes, Nandita.
1 by 4.
13 by 52. 1 by 4. Yes, sixth, Tapasya.
So 1 by 52.
1 by
52.
1 by 52. That's interesting. Queen of Diamonds. So you want to take 1 out of 52 or you would take 1 out of
13 by
13?
so 13 by
13 by
52, I guess.
13. So there are 13 queens in There are not 13 queens. Huh?
So how many?
You tell me. Queen is only one, na?
Four. One. So one by 52, right?
So my question is they are asking queen of diamonds. So should we consider 13 diamond cards or which way?
Um, four queen cards, like two black and two red.
No, no. Queen of diamonds. Read the question. Queen of diamonds. It's not queen. It's queen of diamonds. So you should take 1 by 52. Total cards are 52. Or you should take 1 by 13 because 13 total diamond cards, right?
One by 50. So that is 1 by 52 total number of cards.
Okay, who says 1 by 52? Okay, everyone is on that. 1 by 1 by 13 is me.
Um, so are you saying this because there are only 13 diamonds? So they have specified it's the queen of diamonds. So because there are 13 diamonds, there will only be one queen out of those 13 diamonds.
Yes, they spoke about diamonds. So,
But they've also written that one card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So there will
okay,
be
you got
52
it.
cards.
You got it. Good, good. But it is still ambiguous. So, considering that, you can take. I see few sides. It's written 1 by 13. Few sides it is written 1 by 52. So, I surrender to this question. I can't explain. Uh, 27, you can try yourself. Queen. If one queen is taken, so we would be left with 51 cards. Okay, so just remember that. If you're continuing with the second situation, the total number of cards would decrease, and you have to write all of this. Okay, favorable outcomes for the first one. One queen, one diamond queen, like that. You have to write maybe in 1 2 lines, but you have to specify that. Okay, defective bulb. You try that. 29. Let's see. Okay, this is important. Okay. Okay, we do have some good questions coming up. I should have done these. $57. So if you don't know what is a fete, may not know. Let it be. This from exemplar.
कर सकते हो, यूज करते हो टूल है। वीडियो में हम लॉजिक माउस को जो छोटे खेल है, तो इसीलिए यूज करोगे कि नीचे ही हॉट एयर गन का भी यूज कर सकते हो या फिर हेयर ड्रायर का। इसके बाद आप ऐसे निकाल सकते हो। अब सिंपली उसकी वहां से कोई भी प्राइम टू है। अब इसकी स्विचेस की बात नहीं, एक्चुअली लेवल ऐसा एक लिए फिर से कुछ स्क्रूज को खोलना होगा। जैसे मैं क्लिक्स को निकाल देता हूं, आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो किस लेवल पे डार्क
Yes, Sita.
खोलना पड़ेगा।
The first one is 20 by 24.
20 by 21.
24.
20 by 24. Okay, how did you get that numerator and denominator? Tell us.
So x plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 24. So 6x is
Okay.
equal to 24,
So
x
you're
is
trying
equal to
the
4.
you're trying the 56th question.
Yeah.
And what are others trying?
57.
Anyone else? Nia, Tapasya, which one you are trying?
57.
I was talking about the straight, na? Okay. We'll discuss that, Shrita, after this. Just try the 57. Probably our answer was correct.
निकल जाती है, आप खोल
Yes, Nandita.
The first one I got it as 9 by 1000.
9 by
1000.
so 9 perfect squares after 500, right?
So your voice is breaking.
Just Okay, any better?
Yes, sir.
So
Could you repeat what you said?
I was saying there are 5 numbers that are perfect squares after 500. Is that
Sir, I got 9 numbers.
okay? Just a moment. Okay. Something is updating in background and I can't close it. 9 by 1000. So there are 9 numbers after 500. 9 numbers. Uh, okay. Probably it's working now. It's working now. Yes. No. Okay. Any better by any means? Okay. So there are 9 numbers beyond 500 to 1000 that are perfect square. Is that right? Nandita? Yes? Okay. So anyone else got 9 numbers? Second part? Nia?
1 by 125.
1 by?
125. The initial value will be 8 by 1000.
Okay. 8 by 1000. Is that okay?
So I can't see your screen share at all.
Anyone else can see, or it's not up for anyone? Who can see? Okay. Just try refreshing. I mean, rejoining Shrita might help. Okay, done. Everyone else got this? Abasya, you got this? Maybe one last question. 56. One more minute. Shita, you can answer this.
Just to clarify, it's the 55th question, right?
No,
It's the
56th.
56th question. Okay, I'm already done
56th.
with it.
Your counter is one less. Working on set on one less. Okay.
No, I couldn't see your screen share enough that your voice broke, so I couldn't
Might
hear
be.
the question.
You can ask now if you can't hear anything. If something is confusing, just clarify it again. I won't know that you didn't understand. Always good.
Should I answer first?
Yeah, you can.
The first one is 20 by 24.
20 by 24. Okay, explain how is that?
So the x are red, 2x are white, and 3x are blue. So x
Hmm.
plus 2x plus 3x is equal to 24. So 6x is equal to 24 and x is equal to 4. So
Okay.
here, not red is besides red. Here, 4 are red. So besides red in the rest 24 balls, there are 2x and 3x. That is 20.
It was an
21,
easy
I mean
question.
24.
It was an easy
Yeah,
question.
and then, right, 24. Yeah.
Nandita, you're done?
Sir, I wrote the question wrong. I wrote it as 26 balls.
So I don't have that sarcastic clapping emoji. It's the same emoji, so assume it. Okay, I wanted to do this 55th question, but I think it's time. So please compulsorily do this. This is a very important question, most difficult question of this chapter, what I feel personally, a little tricky. So please do it, and the rest of the questions shouldn't be that hard. So you can, of course, you have to do that. So rest of the questions you can try, but these are the important parts. Uh, so concept is pretty straightforward, but you know, just be a little careful. Try this worksheet. This worksheet is more than enough for probability chapter. No need to do even a single question uh, from outside. This is enough. And if anyone has doubts, ask me some other day, and we are done with probability. Okay. So we'll continue with the next chapter in the next class. Bye. Good night, everyone.
Like, good night.
Thank you.
So that